Welcome to my channel Information and Tech. This is a short tutorial that how you can use uTorrent is different packages and plans yearly and monthly basis. First of all, you have go to its official website. As I am here on uTorrent official website, as you can see here is a different packages of uTorrent. So first of all, you have to select any package like a monthly package, yearly package, and here is also different option with Pro VPN and add free packages. So here is its price, cost, and time period, as you can see, of monthly, yearly. So first of all, you have to select any package and then you have to download its client. So from here I will download its client, and here is again a different menu to select. So first of all, I will select from here and download after selecting my package. So I am trying just to overview so this download is completed. Now I am installing a uTorrent client on my computer or mobile. So this download will be started shortly. As you can see, download is started, and I am from here click next, and here is a license agreement. So you have to check and then agree with the license agreement, and here download is started from internet. So this will be take some time because depend on your internet and bandwidth. So my speed is actually a good one, and here you can see the download and installation is almost in last step. So after installing this, I will guide you that how you can use to download different files from internet. So this one is completed. Now I will do from here and finish it. This will be go to on web because I have installed web packages also, and client package have also. So first of all, I will close from here, and from start I will guide you. So the installation is completed. Here is a web setup. You can see here in a tray, and there is a window client. So I am opening from here. As you can see, this is a menu. So there is a two method of downloading from uTorrent. One is a uTorrent file, as you can see here. One is a uTorrent file, and the second is a magnetic link. So first of all, I will try to guide you that how you can use a uTorrent file to download some file from uTorrent using internet. So I am adding from here, and this one is added, and you can see this will show its size and other properties, and downloading is started. So this is a one method I am removing from here, and I will guide the second method of magnetic link. This is a magnetic link. As you click it, it will open in your client side or in a web browser, as I am here using a web browser. So this will be added, as you can see. Okay, you can change different location on your PC or mobile. Here is properties, and you can see here to add, and this one is started. So this is a simple way of uTorrent using uTorrent file and magnetic link. And also you can add from here any file, and there is a menu of setting. If you have any speed issue, check out my video playlist. Thanks for watching.